In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly tag people in Systeme.io. Tagging is a powerful feature that can help you manage your contacts more efficiently. With proper tagging, you can easily segment your audience and create customized interactions that better meet their needs. Let's dive right in and explore how to do this step by step. To start, you'll want to access your Systeme.io dashboard. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Systeme.io login page by entering the URL www.systeme.io dashboard/n/login into the address bar. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your login information, so go ahead and type in your registered email address followed by your password. After entering your credentials, simply click on the sign in button and you'll be directed straight to your dashboard. Now that you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Your main task for tagging is going to revolve around the Contacts tab. To find this, hover your mouse over the CRM section found in your main menu. You should see a drop-down menu pop up. From here, select Contacts. This is where you'll be able to manage all your existing contacts. Once you've opened up your Contacts page, take a look at your list of contacts. This is where you can select the specific person that you want to tag. Click on the contact to open up more options. You should see a More Actions button. Clicking on this will reveal a menu where you can choose Add Tag. By selecting this option, you can manually assign a tag to the contact of your choice. This step is essential for keeping your database organized and making sure each contact gets the right attention. But manual tagging isn't the only way to go about this. Systeme.io offers a handy feature for automatic tagging as well, which can save you a lot of time and effort. To activate this, you would create automation rules. These rules can automatically add tags to your contacts based on specific actions they take, such as submitting a form or completing a purchase. It's an efficient way to maintain more dynamic updates to your contact list without constantly overseeing the process manually. After you've tagged your contacts, you can harness these tags for more than just organization. They're a powerful tool for segmentation. By categorizing your audience with tags, you can craft and send targeted email campaigns tailored precisely to those segments. This specificity can greatly increase the effectiveness of your communication, leading to better engagement and more satisfying interactions with your audience. With these steps complete, you should now have a well-organized contact list that you can utilize to its fullest potential. Tagging in Systeme.io is a straightforward process that, when used correctly, becomes a cornerstone for effective customer relationship management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.